Hi everyone, so in this video I have Apple Magic Mouse, brand new 2024. I'm gonna do the unboxing and show you what's inside the box. What comes inside is a Magic Mouse USB-C, the latest one. Just gonna do the unboxing and show you what's inside the box. Let's do it. So I open the box. So when you open the box, you have a nice shiny mouse in it. I got in black. So let's put the mouse here and see what else we can get inside the box. Okay, looks like a manual. Yeah, it's a mouse manual. How you can use, how you can connect, how you can pair with your MacBook or any other Apple devices. Okay, all the manuals here we have. Okay, let's put it on the side. So we have a USB-C charging cable. So this one is charged. You can charge this. It's a nice USB-C, very nice material cable. USB-C cable comes with it, and that's it. That's your very nice and shiny glossy mouse. So the charging port is on the bottom. It's USB-C, as you can see, and that's the turn on and off button here, as you can see here. So yeah, you can charge whenever you want to charge. Usually their battery timing are really good, but yeah, it's a bit pain that the charging cable is right on the bottom. So it's pretty much same like other one, but it's more, I can see it's more nicer and more working wise, more clicking nicely. Very nice. So I like this one more. I hope you like this one. Let me know what do you think and what's your comments on this one. Alright, thanks for watching.